Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's just a quick video of me using the shells I bought from Angel Glitter Mats. I've done them in kind of an under the sea vibe with blues and greens from HD Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm just going to come in and I'm just going to place a few swooshes down the nail, leaving some gaps. Using the different blues and greens. So I'm just picking up wet beads and 2 colours at a time just to give that depth, and I'm leaving a few gaps in between, so I just do that coming down the nail. And then I'm going to go into my black acrylic powder and really wet. I'm just going to try and fill those gaps a little bit, just so that the shell has got a black background so that it pops out from the sides of the shell. You then need to break the shell up into manageable size pieces, and then I am just placing that across the black acrylic. So once I've done that and I'm happy with the placement, I'm just dipping my wet brush into some copper flakes that I got from the Glitter Fairy, and I'm just dotting those around the shells just to give another kind of edging to those shells. And then I've got an iridescent glitter that came from Angie's Angel Glitter Mats quite a while ago, and it's got like blue undertones to it. So again, I'm just using my wet brush and I'm just placing small amounts, really small, just dotted through the nail, so that when that's top coated, you really get a shine when you move the nail. Now I'm just going to come in and I'm going to cap the nail in Crystal Clear from HD Pro, and then once that is done, wait for it to set and file and buff up that nail. I'll then top coat in Shine It, also from HD Pro, and this is the finished nail. It's got beautiful shine going through it, loads of different depth with those shells, the flakes and the iridescent glitter. Blues are my ultimate favourites. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I can't wait to put this on a human hand at some point. Please like and share and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.